Hello to my lovely kindergarten group. I was hoping that my camera would show, and I'm not sure if it is. However, we are going to be learning this lovely word. This is the word I. I is a word we use when you talk about yourself, okay? So I am your teacher. I am a lady. And this is the word I.
I. One. I have a big family.
Yeah, that card says I have a big family. So today we are going to be reading a book using the word I. Families are all different. Some people have lots and lots of sisters and brothers, and some people are an only child. This family has a mom, a dad, and two girls. They're sisters. We're going to read the word see, and hopefully the word I will be in this book. See what we can do. Look at these are people in a neighborhood. I can play hopscotch. I can listen to a story read by my dad. We're just reading the pictures, guys. I can skate with my friends. Ooh, here's another story called We Can Make It. They're going to make some fun things. This is the title. This is the author by Susan Gorman Howe. Illustrated by Anthony Lewis. I can make a puppet. I'm just using the word I by looking at the picture and talking about the picture. I can help bake cookies. I can go to a festival. And here's our word for this week. This word is like. Think of something you like to do.
Like. 1. We like to go to school.
Good, like. We like to go to school. I want you to think of something you like to do or you like to eat. Yesterday you may have drawn the picture I like, and you might have drawn what you like to eat. I like pizza. The word like is spelled L-I-K-E, like. Now we're going to read a story about going to school. We go to school. This is what kindergarten looks like. We have rules in school. The kids are all sitting nicely. These kids are having fun. We like school. We like to build with blocks. We like to make friends, and we walk in the halls. They're walking outside, being safe, following the rules. They're sharing. And here's the book I like. I want you to look for the word if it's on here. Yes, we have it. Are you ready? I like coloring. Read with me. I like coloring. I like drawing. Your turn. Good. I like painting. Your turn. I like sharing. I like sharing. Or you could use another word there, showing my friends. The end. Okay, I would like you to read those words. I like, and practice using the word I. And this is very good reading practice for you. Have a great day.